Okay, hello students, myself Ganga Swami. You are watching my channel Ganga Swami. Today I am discussing the MCQs physics of the model paper published by the Karnataka Government Secondary Education Examination Board, that is KSEEB. Okay, you have given the multiple choice questions. Today I am discussing the physics related questions in this session. The first question is a device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is. So, if you are followers of my channel, this question already I have given in this one MCQs of the electric that is lesson. So you listen. The first question is very simple. As I told you in that class also, that ammeter is for measuring the current and voltmeter is an instrument measuring the potential difference. Galvanometer help us to detect the electric current in the circuit. Okay, so rheostat is used to vary the resistance in an electric circuit. Okay, see here I want to say here one more thing, that until and unless you know the meaning of all the options, if you are not able to differentiate A, B, C, D, the meaning of those things, of course they are related to the concept, so it becomes what you will not get confidence. Okay, so it is not just taking the answer, learn the lesson well. So the first option of this one, first question, that is 41st of the question, that the answer of that one is rheostat, that is B1. Okay, the rheostat is used to change the resistance in an electric circuit. Now the second one, that is 42nd of this one, in Fleming's left hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of the. So once again here the option is B1, electric current induced in conductor. It doesn't need any explanation, as you have to understand this one now, the concept, that is finger. So what that indicates and all that one. Here nothing, no reason for that one, just you have to understand and remember that one. The 43rd, okay, this is very interesting. A doctor prescribes a corrective lens of power minus 0.5 d to a person. The focal length of the lens and the type is. See, this is very interesting question. Here what the question you are given, the power of the lens, is it? Power of the lens is minus 0.5 d, that is P equal to minus 0.5 d, and they ask you the focal length means F is how much. Very simple, you know the formula, that power of lens is calculated by the reciprocal of the focal length of the lens, is it? That means here the P is equal to, you are getting 1 upon F, is it? P is equal to 1 upon F. So if you go in that way, P is equal to minus 1 upon 0.5. So minus 1 upon 0.5 is nothing but 10 upon 5, that is equal, that is of course minus, you are going to get 10 upon 5, means when you convert the decimal to fraction, you are going to get minus 2, and focal length is measured in terms of meter. So the correct one is minus 2m, the first part is, and here the type is, here minus 2 is okay, 2m, and you have once again one more confusion, that is concave or convex it is. So concave lens is always negative and the convex lens is taken positive, you know that one. So because of these two reasons, your option for the 43rd question is minus 2m and concave lens. Hope you people understood. So what is minus 2m is the focal length and concave lens is the type of that lens. Okay, in that case. Now 44th, look at this one. The nature and size of the image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus F1 and the optical center O of a convex lens. See, this is in all the cases, only in this case you are going to get the what is that one, nature of that size of the image formed is what, virtual erect. Okay, so because of that one, the correct option of the 44th question is that A1. I will discuss this lesson in the coming session. Okay, next I will move to the 45th question. The potential, this is once again, look at this one, the potential difference means V, you know that one, between the terminals of electric heater is 60 volt. So here that means PD, that is V is equal to 60 volt. When it draws a current is I is equal to 4 ampere. Okay, then what you are asked, resistance of the electric heater coil is, that means R is equal to how much? You are given V, you are given I, and you are asked the resistance, that is R. So obviously you are going to get the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay, so you put the value 60 is equal to, that is V is equal to 4 upon your R. So when you go with that one, when you go the calculation, you are going to get 60 upon 4, which is equal to 50 ohm. Okay, so the correct option of this one is very simple calculation. You can do the A1 is the correct answer. Then 15 ohm. Okay, next 46th. Okay, the diameter of a, very simple question, the diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is, so don't get confused with this center of curvature and all this one, principal axis and whatever it is. So correct answer for this one is aperture. Okay, so the C answer, that is the correct answer for that spherical diameter of the circular, or sorry, circular outline of a spherical lens. I'll discuss this lesson also. Next 47th question, the inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because of this one: reflects light, absorbs more heat, prevents from rusting, converges solar radiations. See here, absorbs more heat. What is the meaning of this one? It absorbs and it makes that instrument, the wall or the whatever the container, to get heated. Is it? It absorbs. So because of that, black color absorbs, you know that one. So because of that one, the material or the cooker gets heated and it helps in the cooking of the food. So the correct option, very simple question they asked here, B1 is the correct answer. The function of electric generator is very simple. So what is one here? The function of electric generator, you are very well familiar with this one. 48th question, it is what it is here, the function of electric generator: reverse the direction of current, or it converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, detects the detects the presence of electric current in a circuit, or converts mechanical energy into electric energy. D1 is the correct option. See, the 49th question is, the resistance of a conductor does not depend on. This electricity lesson, when I have discussed this question. See what I have discussed, those questions. So two questions I am seeing in this one. So except those, I have not seen any question electricity lesson what I discussed. So yeah, this is one of the question which I discussed in that lesson. So the resistance of a conductor depends on length of conductor, area of cross section, and the nature of material it is made up of. So the unwanted answer is ours, magnetic nature. So the correct answer for this one, related respect to the question, the C1, magnetic nature. DC generator works on the principle of, very simple question. You are very well familiar with this DC generator. You have electromagnetic induction is the first, that is first option, and this is the correct option. Okay, this way I have selected 10 questions. Go through this, and remaining also I'll discuss in the coming session. Subscribe the channel and give your comments. So I will be waiting for your comments, so that I will help you the way in which you need the explanation and the questions, and I will be able to solve the doubts of yours if you have any. Okay, have a nice time, do well, thank you.